Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about parallel parking. Now, on my last video, I did the parallel parking. I gave the steps and how to do the parallel parking. And on that video, somebody made a comment saying that the last step at the end, when we do the full right lock, when we are close to the pavement, how do we know or how do we judge when we are close to the pavement? So in this video, I thought I'm going to give you the references when you should do the steering so that you know exactly when to do that. So let's start the lesson. So I'm still going to do the parking in this video, but if you want the full details, like I said, watch the other video and watch the references in this video, okay? So parallel parking, what is parallel parking? Parallel parking is where you go and stop alongside of a car in front and then you reverse behind or in front of that car. That is known as parallel parking or reverse park. So if you want the exact steps, watch the other video. The steps is put the clutch down. Obviously you start the car, first gear, you look around, look at the blind spot, signal to go over there, blind spot, and we're going to go and line up. Okay, and line up alongside the car in front, around a meter from the car, about a meter distance. Look at the front, when the car is straight, stop. Handbrake on, neutral. Now I'm going to position myself slightly towards that way. Why? Because I'm going to be looking at the back. Done. Okay, clutch down, reverse gear. Look around, look at the back, and now I need to go back until back end of my car is in line. Okay, so back end is in line. And how do I know? I'm looking through this window, the side window, the back side window, and when I see around here, can you see the side window? And can you see that pillar on this side, the black pillar? When the pillar is in line in this car, that's when I know the back end is in line. Okay, so you need to find a reference in your car where the front of that car you could see in that window. I see it when I see that black pillar is in line. That's when I know. Okay, so now I know the front of that car and my car is in line, and that's the reference. When I see that, what do? One turn to left. I talked about the dry steering on the other video, so watch the other video. Like I said, I'm just giving you the references. So I've done one left, look around, and I'm going, look around, I'm going. What's next? When I'm 1 o'clock or around 2 o'clock, I'm going to do one right. So I'm keep looking around here. What do I do now? One right. Done. Like I said, dry steering. Watch the other video. Okay, look around. Now this is the step what the viewer or the learner was asking. How do I know how to judge? So you judge by the side mirror. Now the side mirror, as you can see, I have a blind spot mirror on the side mirror, which gives me exactly where the pavement is. But if you don't have that, you could adjust the side mirror. So basically you use the button here and then you adjust the mirror according to, so you could see it. Okay, are you allowed to do that? Are you allowed to adjust? Yes, you are allowed to adjust. Okay, so make sure your car is secured. Adjust the mirror the way you want to have it so that you could see the pavement. Okay, so you're doing it to do this parking. If you don't have the blind spot mirror, adjust it the way you need to see the pavement. Okay, so now it's adjusted. So I'm going, and can you see it? I'm going close, I'm going close, I'm looking at the back, I'm going close. So now I'm going to the pavement, I'm looking around, looking at the back, get the help from the side mirror, looking at the back. What do you think? Around here? Yes, look around. There we go. Am I going to touch? Am I going to touch? Perfect. Look around. Look around. Am I going to touch? Is it straight? Get the wheel straight. Inch back. Stop. Handbrake. Neutral. Rest my feet. Done. What do you think? Is that okay? Also, one other tip, make sure once you've done the parking, make sure you adjust the mirror back on again. So if you do adjust the mirror for you to do the parking, because you can't see the pavement or something, and you need to adjust, make sure before you move off again, adjust mirror back as it was before, because otherwise when you're driving, you can't see it. So the examiner knew you've adjusted it to do the parking. Before you go, make sure you put it back on again in your driving test. Okay, so just to clarify, if you do adjust the mirror while you are doing the parking because you want to see the pavement, that's fine, it's okay. But just at the end, before you move off again, make sure you adjust the mirror back on as it was before you go. Okay, this is really important for you to do that. Okay, so that's it for this video. And like I said, if you want full details of how to do the parallel parking, watch the other video, which I will leave a link on the description. But in this video, I just wanted to share the references when you should do the steering. And hopefully this video is going to help you to understand exactly when you should do the steering. If you need help on learning to drive and to pass the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives everything a learner needs. The course has everything, including the parallel parking and all other parkings. So it has everything a learner needs. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. If you like it, you could always join the course. Thank you for watching. Please do give a thumbs up if you like the video. Please do make a comment what you think of the video, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so don't miss any of my future videos. Hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.